Hello guys, today we are making veg phalay. Hope you will like it. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel. Vegetables required to make phalay: chopped cabbage, chopped soybean, ginger paste, chopped onion. First we will cook the vegetables. Heat oil in the pan. Once the oil is heated, add chopped cabbage. Then add chopped soybean. Add ginger paste and mix them well. After mixing the vegetables, add Ajinomoto, add chili powder, add salt, and finally add soya sauce. Now add chopped onion. Mix it well. After the vegetables are half cooked, take them out in a bowl. Now let's make roti. The size of a roti should be a little bigger. Take small quantity of the vegetable and place it in the middle of the roti. Fold the roti in half. Fold the sides of the roti as shown in the video. There is no right or wrong way. You can fold the roti and design the sides as you like it. As there were some roti left, we made tea momo. Now let's begin frying the phalay. First add oil on the pan. Once the oil is heated, add phalay on it. Flip it so that both sides of the phalays are fried. And once it turns golden, you can take it out. Similarly, fry the remaining phalays. Phalay is ready to eat. For tea momo, you can fry it like how you fry the phalay and take it out once it is properly fried. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel. Comment below which recipe would you like to watch next.